Hello everyone, welcome to the channels. So today let's do some magic with number. Okay, without wasting any time, so let's start the video. So for the magic, first you have to pick a whole numbers from 1 to 9. Yes, any odd numbers between 1 to 9. Done? Okay. So now multiply your numbers with 2. Okay, done. So now add 10 to the totals, and next now you have to divide this number with 2. From this number subtract the numbers you picked, the whole number that you have picked, and now your answer is 5. Am I correct? Thank you everyone, thank you so much for giving your times, and I hope you all are liked this video, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you and take care, and bye bye.